Yesterday, just we discussed some introduction. Okay, so actually the total JavaScript we are going to discuss with Visual Studio Code. So I'll show how to install that. So instead of using Notepad, so we are going to prefer Visual Studio Code. Okay, so first I will uninstall. Already I am having some VS Code. Okay, so I uninstalled that VS Code, whatever I'm having in my computer. So just search for VS Code. So VS Code we are calling as what? Visual Studio Code. Okay. So here we are having an option to download. So just click on download, or otherwise you can click on this one also, no problem. Okay. So based on your operating system, so we are going to see here, okay, download for Windows, download for Linux, download for Mac OS. So dynamically it will change. Okay. So right now I am having, or I am using Windows operating system. That's the reason it is showing as download for Windows. So it is completely free, available for all operating systems like what? Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So it is having support for JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, okay, even .NET, whatever. So now successfully downloaded. So show in folder. So this is the one. So how to install it is very simple. Right click, open, accept the agreement, next, next, next. Okay. So here I am going to add a desktop icon. So these things let it be, no problem. Okay. Install. It will take very less time. So finally, so successfully completed installation part. So if I check this and if I click on finish, so then what happens? So it is going to open VS Code. I don't want to open like that. That's the reason uncheck, finish. So now we installed this particular Visual Studio Code. Just open. See, right now, okay, I uninstalled Visual Studio Code. Again, I installed. Actually, we need to restart the computer. Okay. So that's the reason still, okay. So I am having something like this. Okay, previously, whatever I opened, did some editing or whatever. So everything is already available. Okay. But in your computer, if you are installing for the first time, you will be seeing some welcome screen. Okay. Whatever, it's very simple. Nothing is there. Okay. So this is our Visual Studio Code. So yesterday I created one directory relevant to JavaScript, right? So just open that file, open folder, and go to desktop. So JavaScript. So this is our directory. Just open this directory.